Okay guys, today we're doing a sprinkler maintenance and repair, so I'll let you know things to check out for. I'm at a friend's house just checking over the sprinkler system. The main problem that we have when you're installing a sprinkler system, you always got to anticipate what trees, what shrubs, what plants you're putting in, other plants. So obviously they grow quite tall, like this traveller's palm here. Okay, so as you can see, there's a sprinkler pipe that comes out there, and we have the sprinkler pipe at the back. But as the tree grows, it actually pulls on the pipe, so always make sure wherever your pipe is, you don't put it across the garden and that way you're going to put a tree, because it will actually dislodge the pipe, and that's the problem we're having here on 2 or 3 locations. And we're going to be changing over some 4mm pipe, which Art, my guy, is doing. What you got to watch out for, the rats sometimes coming in and chew the cable. Yeah. You say hello, Shimmy. Now please finish that. That was a quick job. So that's one thing out the way. Okay, and it's all by noon, Shimmy. Okay. I'll take a pop up. So over here we've got to extend the pipe right away from the palm here. Yeah, if you've got any exposed pipe and all that, especially this pipe here, you do get vermin that will actually bite it. Bear with me, I just need to get a piece of equipment out. This is the pump room. And so they've had the sprinklers turned off for a few days, so we can get all these repaired. Alright, and somewhere down here, there it is, we've got to change the sprinkler. I'll change part of it in here. Just being careful. Oops. Get around the sprinkler and stop it from working. Now we choose to a totally different system. I mean, this one was put in a few years ago. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to change. This is a new one. That's the old one. It's a head, so I'm just going to change this whole part. Set the sprinkler to 360. Screw it down. There we Cool. That's that one done. For now, let's just put this. Keep it tidy. And that's it. That's that one done. In here, you see we've got a hole here. It's where you see the rat's been biting it, or the mice or whatever it is. Someone's been chewing at it here. So we're just going to cut that, put a connector in, and lock it up. And that's it. Don't know what. No. So we've got some extended pipe here. Right. I don't know why I've done that. What a mess. Okay. Okay.
Sini ya.
Sorry, Henry. Just put the lock on. Straight connector in.
No. Sini.
Chai, tuck down. Make sure it's well in. Nice hammer. It's usually,
นี่ทะลุแล้วนี่ไม่มีเดี๋ยวคอนเนคที่นี่
okay, right. Put the lock on that one. Okay, put the lock on. Need lock okay. Or need that tone it หน่อย เนี่ยเนาะออกอันนี้
แตก
ตัด
นี่ที่นี่
ใช่นี่
นี่
แตกเห็น
เย
ไหม
อะมาก
Okay, so you're going to come back from here ที่นี่
นะดูไป
So the pipe split. It's because it's been exposed. Oh, that's the root system.
Spider-Man.
Yeah, spider. No, it's a root growing inside the crack.
นี่โอเคแล้วโอเคแล้วไม่เข้าแล้ว
Okay. เอาไว้
นี่อีกคน
ครับ Yeah, as you can see, just split on the end there. นี่ไม่ดีแล้ว So it's normally once a year, something like that, we'll come and check the sprinkler system. But like I say, we'll do it totally different way. We don't actually use this sprinkler pipe. We actually use PVC. Oi. Need to do yai na. He's got big ass, he's breaking the plants. Okay, knee pop, knee lock. Knee lock. Because if you get tears and that, it actually loses pressure, you know, so the sprinkler system doesn't work.
โอเค
Okay, so there's only one more part. This is the scrap bit. Find that. The broken pipe. You see, it's got holes in here. Okay, one more. I love the swimming pool. Lovely tropical garden.
Good. Really good.
Very good. Okay, so just close the pipe off.
Okay.
Okay. Sit down. Okay. Me too. Okay, now to open the sprinkler system. Okay. Turn on the auto. Change the zone. Zone's arm. Okay, so we've got good pressure here.
I'm gonna get wet.
Yeah. Wow. Well, I know the pressure's okay on that side. Okay. That's okay. Yeah, they're okay there.โอเคนี่สะอาด Hold on นี่สปริงเกอร์ไม่ทำโอเคนี่ออกนี่
ออกใช่ไหม
yeahนี่เห็น inside watch out นี่ no
นี่ใช่ไหม
นี่หัวนี่
อ๋อ
นี่
โอเค
นี่สกปรก watch out ใจเย็นนะโอเคแล้วสะอาดนะโอเคได้ไหมฟิลเตอร์ no have filter anyway ไม่ได้เวฟอนน้ำเป็ดนะอ่ะ
ครับ
นี่เห็นไหมนี่
โอ้อร่อย
so got one there that's yeah okay นี่360 โอเคyou โอเคอ่ะกลับ
หมด
ไม่ใช่
สะอาดออกมาไหมที่นี่ไม่ออกงาน
อะไรไม่ออกโอเคเช็คก่อน
ที่นี่ไม่ท
okay let's go check ไม่ออก means not come out or not outที่ไหน where this one you just done yeah
ำที่นี่ไม่ทำไม่ออกน้ำไม่มี
โอเคนี่ bring okay see here นี่ check น้ำ maybe here ที่นี่มีสกปรกนะ no
โอเค
ที่นี่ inside here inside here เห็นไหมโอเค
ไม่มีอันนี้ออกยังไงครับ
I'm trying to do video at the same time. Yeah, bit. Need bit. Hi, bit. No,
Wow.
no. You gotta get something small. You want to show me, Inspector? Can you hang low? Here. Go that one. ทำมาไม่เห็น
ไม่เห็นนะ
โอเค สะอาดแล้ว โอเค ทำแล้ว โอเค Where is it? ผมมนที่ไหน
นี่ไงที่นี่ไง
ไม่เห็น
ใส่ข้างบนก่อนใช่ไหม
เนี่ยครับผมสปาร์กันได้เลยอะโอ้ย เนี่ย and then push that back into there. Normally this get near sokopok, dirty, yeah.
ครับ
So then you got to keep that clean. Okay, จบแล้วนี่ This plant here is Singapore daisy. It's actually a great filler plant. Okay, job แล้ว Okay, ting, throw that away. Okay, that's it. This was an easy fix. I need to bring it by home now. Just time to put the whole thing back in the pump room. So that was a bit of a quick video. Okay guys, and that's how we fix a sprinkler system when pipes are broken. Bye for now.